Welcome to the PowerPole Pro assembly instructions. Step 1. Check the contents. Remove all parts from the box, lay them out, and identify that you have everything. Step 2. Select the pole location. Measure the ceiling height and place the base in position. Step 3. Choose your extensions. Use the height chart to select any extensions. Step 4. Locate the ceiling joists. Step 5. Fit the extensions to the base. Step 6. Attach lower main pole. Step 7. Prepare adjuster rod. Step 8. Fit the adjuster. Screw the adjuster into the upper main pole. Step 9. Fit adjuster cover. Slide adjuster cover into position. Step 10. Attach the upper dome. Slide the upper dome onto adjuster shaft. Step 11. Fit the poles together. Attach upper pole to the lower pole. Step 12. Tighten the adjuster. Step 13. Tighten the tubes. Step 14. Tighten the pole adjuster with the spanner until it's really firm. Step 15. Fit adjuster cover. Slide the adjuster cover up. Press in the 2 sprung pins and lock it in place. Step 16. You're ready to go. After a final check for movement, the pole is ready. Have fun exercising with your PowerPole Pro.